Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Imagine you are sitting in your favorite corner of your house, sipping coffee and your phone pings. You have made a sale, but here is the twist. You didn't have to pack any boxes or print any labels and also even go outside of your house. How? Okay, well, welcome to the world of selling digital products on Etsy. Selling digital products on Etsy is the easiest way you can start making passive income. In fact, I am going to share 5 best digital product ideas that anyone can make and sell on Etsy in no time. So our first digital product idea will be birthday invitation templates. So let's see what designs and what templates are going viral and selling on Etsy. So welcome to Etsy's website, and we have searched for birthday invitation templates. And if we see what are trending and popular now, so this item is popular on Etsy right now. This item has 4.8 star rating and it has been sold for 997 times with the price of $0.96 US. And if we calculate this product's earning, and that is 997 multiplied by 2.96, that means this product has earned 2,951 US. That has a good potential. So here is another product that is very popular and sold over 12,000 times. So let's calculate its earning. That is, if we calculate the earnings of this product, animated birthday dinner invitation, and that is animated, you can see. So it has sold for 12,100 times and multiplied by $3.77, and it has sold for $45,617, and the listing age is 1 month. So this product has earned $45,617 in just 1 month. So that is amazing number. So creating this type of product is very easy because if you have some design knowledge of Canva or other photo editing and Illustrator softwares, then you can easily create. That's a really simple birthday invitation card. Let's party. So there is a simple fancy font that is Let's Party. That is the name of the birthday boy, Benjamin's 13th birthday, and the details. That's really simple. If you are using Canva for some time, then you can create it so easily. This item has been selling for $3.29. That's amazing, right? Creating this type of birthday templates is not a rocket science, so you can create it very easily. But you have to learn how to package them and how you can deliver as smoothly as possible to your customers. The next digital product we will talk about is Bar Menu. Bar Menu is getting popular on Etsy. Let's see its potential on the Etsy's website itself. So we have simply searched Bar Menu template on the search box, and these are the results. This is a cocktail menu flyer and it has 4.8 star rating. Let's calculate its earning. So it has been sold for 12,000 times. That's a big number. And the price of this product is $2.78. It has been sold for $33,360. So it has been listed on Etsy for 3 months. So we will divide it by 3. It's the monthly earning of that product, that is $11,120. So this simple cocktail menu product is earning $11,000, and this product is selling for $5.72, and that's not also a tough product to create because it has simple fonts, images, as well as the details of the product. So creating digital products is not a tough thing. So Bar Menus can be a good choice for you because you can create it from Canva or other platforms. The next product you can create and sell in Etsy is resume templates. I have simply searched resume templates and thousands of search result has arrived, and resumes are quite popular in Etsy. So let's see some earning potential of possible resumes. resume template, a simple resume that is sold over 4,500 times with 4.9 rating. So let's calculate its earning. So 4,500 multiplied by 7.95, 7.95, that is $35,775. Wow. And this product is listed for 28 months, so we will divide it by 28. That means, so this product has earned $1,200 monthly as a passive income, because that is a form of passive income, because the seller has to upload it once and forget it. I have another example of resume template that is, so this is a bestseller in Etsy. That is a simple resume template that you can see here. There are text, simple text, and that's nothing rocket science. So you can easily create these on Canva. Generally, resume templates considered as high-ticket digital products. It's like this resume is selling for $5.98. That means about $6, and you can create it very easily. So resume template has the potential to become one of the most successful digital product sector. Because Halloween is around the corner, we will search for Halloween phone case. So we have searched for Halloween phone case, and these are the designs you can see. Cute ghost Halloween, ghost stained glass, and lots of designs are available in Etsy. Most of them are printed. It's like this case, it's all printed, and this case is also printed, and this case is also printed. Let's see the earning potential of this product. Okay, well, let's calculate the earnings. So it has been sold 129 pieces. That means, well, let's calculate 129 multiplied by 16.86. $2,174 have been earned from this case, Halloween phone case. The listing is just 1 month old. Wow, that's amazing. So especially create this type of phone cases, you need AI softwares, and that's why I have named this AI phone case. To create this type of phone cases, you have to go to Printify, because they offer drop shipping service. Here is impact resistance cases and other flexi cases and other cases. So we will go with flexi cases. Every case has their own price, so choose accordingly. So here is the page, and I will click start designing. For designs, I will go to Playground AI. So Playground AI gives free access to create 10 photos a day. So this is not a bad thing. So let's see. So this is a free image, so we can export it. So let's export and download. After downloading the image, we will go to Printify editor, and we will simply upload, just like I have put it here. And let's see preview. So this is the cover. Now we have the cover. By this way, you can create unlimited amount of phone cases and designs by using Printify and Playground AI. So the next product we will talk about is our final product, and that is printable wallet. And this product has the potential of becoming one of the largest market of digital products. So let's see on the Etsy's website what kind of wallet are trending and how much they are earning from their wallets. So here it is, the printable wallet. I have searched it in the search box, and it has a very high monthly search volume. And let's see what kind of designs are trending. So here is a product. Let's see its earning potential. So let's get the calculator right here. It has sold for 2,300 times. So let's put it here and multiply it by the price, 2.82. So it has been sold for $6,486. So it has been listed for 7 months. So divided by 7. That means this product is earning $926 per month. So that is not bad, because we have to create it just one time, and the customers will just download it and pay it for you over and over again. Some of my viewers who are very creative, you can sell your creative designs in Etsy. So here it is. The creative folks watching this video, you can try your creative juice and create all those mad images. You can sell these on Etsy. So let's calculate how much this seller has earned from this image. So it has been sold for 1,500 times. So 1,500 multiplied by 2.28 dollars, so $3,420 for 17 months. So divided by 17. So the seller is earning $200 every month passively. This is just one product. You will have several products in your shop, and if five of those products has $200 of monthly income, then you can easily earn $1,000 from those five products. So these five items were my top Etsy digital products that will rise and shine in 2025. So you can choose any of them and start making the products. Always keep in mind, you have to hone your craft, know the market, as well as master the art of selling. If you want to know more about two popular selling techniques that websites like Amazon, WordPress, and many other websites use, you should check out this video. See you in there.